You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms.
So I'm starting off my day with an absolutely delicious golden beet juice. I wanted to make this juice specifically because it's very high on iron and it is amazing for an immunity boost, which I so desperately needed at this time. You might see me adding bell peppers and be like, why is she adding bell peppers to a juice? That's so weird. Fun fact, bell peppers actually have more vitamin C than oranges, and vitamin C helps to speed the absorption of iron when it comes to non-hem iron, basically iron that's found in plants as opposed to iron that's found in animal products. And not only as a plant-based girly, also as a woman who bleeds every month, we need to be making sure we have a whole heap of iron in our diet.
You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds.
Love that for me.
Catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. Should I keep on the glasses? Because I'm literally not even using a tripod, I'm just using my arm. But I wanted to come here and ask you all if you want a raw vegan cookbook. A lot of people have been asking me lately for a cookbook, and all of my recipes are available for free on ITellEatsAndTreats.com. This is because I have ads running on my website, so this means that I'm able to get paid for the recipes on my website, and also people are able to benefit from getting free recipes. But lately people have been saying that recipes on my websites are not enough, and they want like a cookbook, like a one consolidated place where they can go to refer to all of my recipes. May I ask uno? I'm asking you all, please let me know in the comment section down below if you want a raw vegan cookbook. This is going to be a cookbook specifically dedicated to just raw vegan foods, and it will also be an ebook. I do plan on making like a physical cookbook and getting like a book deal and everything in the future, but right now I'm asking you all if you want a digital ebook with solely raw vegan recipes. If you're interested, please let me know and I will get started on it right away. If you don't want it and you want different type of recipes or content, also please let me know. Just let me know your comments. These glasses have such big, like, jeez. Give me feedback, send me an email, drop a comment down below, whatever you want. Let me know and I will bring it to you guys because I love you guys. Okay, let's continue on with the video.
Yeah, alright. Slide out, so be on me, and I've been in my hideout, had to contact it, let them back, you know what to step.
So I'm absolutely in love with this juicer for all of its capabilities. Not only did I use it to make my juice earlier in the day, but I'm also using it to make my homemade cashew milk. I have not bought any almond milk or cashew milk or hemp milk or any type of milk from the grocery stores in a long time because number one, they include a whole heap of preservatives and gums, and they actually have a very small percentage of the actual nut that they're supposed to have. So if you're interested in the juicer that not only juices, it also makes nut milks, go ahead and check out the link in my description box and you'll get 10% off. Now I'm making a blended chia pudding. This is not any regular chia pudding. It's a chia pudding that is perfect for people who have texture issues and do not like chia pudding because of its weird texture. This thing is blended and it tastes so good because it's kind of like a chocolatey mousse creamy pudding type texture, and it's absolutely perfect for those who want all of the health benefits of chia seeds without getting the weird texture of regular chia seeds. The recipe will be linked in my description box down below and on my website ITellEatsAndTreats.com if you're interested in it, as well as the other recipes that you see on this video and on this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 30 minutes or so to chill and firm up a little bit, and I'm gonna have some tea before I go ahead and serve it up.
been thinking about you lately. Oh yeah, you better tell me what's going on. Come on now, is you in love?
As you can see, the texture is now super creamy and silky, and it was so much better for me than having chia seed pudding in its regular state. And chia seeds are honestly so good for you, and chia seed pudding is one of the easiest raw vegan breakfasts you can have, and it's also packed with protein. So I highly suggest for those who are looking for more raw vegan recipes and who can't necessarily stand the texture of regular chia pudding.
And maybe I ain't falling in love, I just fell in like sweet thing, what's good?
After making some homemade sea moss gel, which I really think everybody should have in their diet, so if you do not have any, go ahead and check out the link in my description box down below for 20% off. I was craving something a little bit fruity, so I cut up some pineapple, and this was so good and so refreshing. I tried this new sparkling water that I got from the store, and it would have been delicious if it wasn't no sugar, because you can totally taste when things are zero sugar because they have that weird stevia taste. Anyways, for a little snack, I decided to make some toast with peanut butter and some stewed apples. I low-key burnt the apples a little bit, but let's not talk about that. To make this certain recipe a little bit more raw, you could easily leave the apples uncooked and use applesauce and just cut up the apples and make your own peanut butter with raw peanut. But this is the beauty that I find in a high raw vegan day as opposed to a fully raw vegan day. You can enjoy the benefits of both.
Burnt my apples, bruh.
Now, as you can see, I'm whipping up a delicious quinoa kale salad with crispy chickpeas on top, and I wanted to really like strengthen the protein in this, which is why I added the quinoa on top of as well as the crispy chickpeas, and this was so good. But if you wanted to make this a bit more raw, instead of using cooked chickpeas and cooked quinoa, what you could do is make a hemp seed dressing. I actually have a high protein ranch hemp seed dressing, and it's literally packed with protein, and it's so good and it's easily digestible, so you could do that with this. But this salad was so good. I loved it so much, and I'm totally craving it right now, and it tastes as good as beautiful it looks.
All this pressure in my vessel, so I pop. Got me thinking about being what I'm not. Got me questioning my dreams. Do I even got a shot? God done left me on scene when I asked him for the plot. Indecision steady creeping in the daily thoughts. All my voices steady ringing, screaming you a fraud. Just for peace of mind, I pay a deadly cost. Who really praying? All they saying is you gotta be strong. Where is the part of me who still believes? These days it's hard to see. No, I can't see what you're fighting for. Against all odds, oh, could you be strong?
I've been having peanut butter a lot more often lately because one, I feel like I've started to actually get used to the taste, because as a child I used to hate the taste of peanut butter, and two, I've been going to the gym a lot more often, and I really want to get more protein in and start really gaining more muscles as weight. And peanut butter is such a cheap and affordable way to get protein in. So this spicy peanut sauce was absolutely heavenly with these noodles. It was so easy to make, and if you want to make this recipe high raw, you can easily use kelp noodles. I wish I actually had kelp noodles because it would have tasted so good with this. I topped it with some crispy chickpeas, a little bit of scallion, and some sesame seeds, and this was so delicious, and it hit so many things. It had protein, it had, I guess, a little bit of green, some iron from the sesame seeds, and this was just too good. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!